Hi guys, welcome to the Advent and this is Nixon. Today we are going to solve a new problem from Leetcode. It is the 70th problem, climbing stairs. The question is nothing but you are climbing a staircase. It takes n steps to reach the top. Each time you can either climb 1 or 2 steps. In how many distance ways you can climb to the top? Let me explain this problem simply guys. Initially I'm having a step and currently I'm standing here. I just want to go from here to the first step and then I have to find in how many ways I can go to here, and I just want to find out how many distinct ways I can go to the first step. As everyone knows, we can able to move from here to here in just only one ways. So the answer is one. In only one distinct ways I can move from here to the first step. And then let's move to the example. And according to the example 1, I just want to go to the second stairs. So we have to find how many distinct ways we can move from here to the second step. From here to here. Yeah. And the first distinct way is nothing but going simply one by one. First of all, I'm going to the first step and then I'll be going to the second step. It is the first way. And then according to the constraints given on the question, I can able to move 2 steps each time. So I can able to directly move from here to the second step, and it is one of them. So there is 2 distinct ways here. In 2 ways I can go to the second step. And then let's move to the example 2. Example 2 is nothing but I just want to go to example 3 from here to here. As everyone knows, I can first go to the first step and then I'll be going to the second step and then I'm reaching the final destination. And another way is here. I can able to go to directly. I can able to go to second steps directly and then I'll be going to third step, and it is the second distinct way. And there is another distinct way here. First of all, I'll be going to the first step and then I'm going to directly go to the second step. It is the third distinct way. And according to me, there is no other distinct ways here. So in 3 distinct ways, I can able to go to the third step. If you look these answers, you can able to understand that it is nothing but a Fibonacci series. So if we find the Fibonacci series of the number, we'll be getting the answer. Fibonacci series is nothing but the output of the third value is nothing but the second the sum of the first value and the second value is the third value. This is known as the Fibonacci series. Let's solve this problem, guys. I'm going to create an array, integer array equal to with n, and then I'm adding 0 equal to 1 equal to 1. Then I'm using a for loop here. I equal to 2, I greater than or equal to n, I, and then a or I equal to a or I minus 1 plus a or I plus 1. Yeah. And then I'm going to return a or n here. Yeah, let's run this problem. Sorry. Yeah. Yes, guys. And it's successful. And thanks for watching. If you had any suggestion, please don't hesitate to comment. Please do subscribe to the Advent YouTube channel.